Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to set up Cloudflare Warp in Windows 11, 10. Search with Cloudflare Warp in browser search bar. Click Download latest stable release. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.